Deep within my heart lies a melody, a song of old San Antonio.
I found this piano on Facebook Marketplace for just 50 bucks. The guy actually only wanted 45 because it was missing a key and it was a little dirty. Well, I found a replacement key in this place just outside of San Antonio, and it came in the mail in just 3 days. And I popped it in, and I just needed to get that spring in place, which also came from them in a separate order. In this tense moment, as I completed it, everything was working at this point. Just had to get it closed up, and it's surprisingly heavy. And it went together pretty easily at this point. Get my polytone for a speaker is a good use for that.